Alright gang, what's going on? Shay from the SHEA Show here. Once again, there's so much going on down here in the D. Now let's get ready to go check and see what's happening at Doc's place. We just left the Airbnb. A lot of work going on around here. Somebody bought this place and they're working on this one here, right here. And there's the Airbnb right there. Go in and check on my guy doing the furnace. We got an inspection coming up with the city. Well, not the city, with the land bank. There's a couple things they want to double check before they release us of our total obligation with them. So we're trying to get this place together. You guys have been seeing my little flashback and throwback videos of this place and where it came from and where it is right now. I just posted a video of my guys doing all the cement work. You see the completion, just in case you didn't see the earlier video, but you seen the one where all that was tore out. You can see it now, what it looks like now. Now how you expect an old man to get through here? Oh Lord have mercy. Come on, man. Man, if I had a couple extra more pounds on me, boy, that'd be a problem. What's happening back here? Why they take that down? I guess they're working on them steps. Let's see. Why they take this down? I know they're supposed to have been doing the steps. Oh, maybe I guess there is some here. They're not finished. A long way from finish. Okay. What's up, bro? What's going on? Trying to see what's happening back here. They call themselves building some steps down here. You working by yourself today?
Yeah. I just went back.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, to go get a couple parts.
Oh, okay. What part was you missing?
I had to get some more fuel and pipe and
Oh, okay.
adapters and stuff like that.
Got you. Okay. Okay. Let me see. It was one. Let me see. Let me see. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I've seen it upstairs. Go upstairs again and see. Let me go upstairs again and see. You gonna tie that line in?
Yeah.
That yeah. I think it's two runs is missing.
There's one right here.
Yeah, one right there.
I don't know where to go to. I don't know if they have about to change that long line and run that there, but it's an open spot. I don't know where. And there's one over here, but they covered the floor up.
That's what I'm looking for.
One, I don't know what this is out. Maybe they'll put a. Maybe this one for the basement. Maybe
No, I don't know. There's a whole one right here.
That's where
That one got to go upstairs.
no, so we got that one got to go in.
Yeah.
And I think that's for the basement. This one right here probably gonna be for the basement. This one for the basement.
Okay. I know it was two upstairs. The living room is one in one in the dining room that still wasn't connected. That might be that one. No. On that side of the house? Yeah, I think it's that one, because what's that? Oh yeah, it's that side of the house. Yep, so I think it's that side. I'm going upstairs and double check. I know it's two. I don't know what was on those guys' mind. Let me see. I know it's two. We're trying to get some heat in here so the guys can you can turn the heat on and put the poly on the floors, as you can see. This place come a long way. You guys seen other videos of this place. Whew, it's cold in here. So let me see. That's that one we was just talking about, right there. So that's the one. Is it two? Let me see. Let me see. Where that one's in. Yep, that's the one right here. We just talked about it. They didn't cut it out. That's the one. So that's 2. Okay. Okay, we solved that mystery. Got all this stuff over here. I gotta get all this shit out of here. Yep, well, just those 2. That one right there, where next to you, and the one where you got to cut through the floor there.
Okay.
That's it, just those 2.
What about what you gonna do about that thermostat?
It got to be hung back on the wall. When they did all that stuff, they didn't put it on the wall.
You gotta drill in the wall.
Yeah, I know. I know what you got to do. They should have did all that before the wall was done. I don't know why they did that. But yeah, since you're here, let's just clean it up.
Ain't no big deal. Ain't no big deal. Ain't nothing to it.
Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
That's it. That is it. Ain't to it but to do it. Well, I thought we had lights down in this motherfucker last time. What happened to all the lights? They ain't working?
Yeah, everything is working. Maybe the breaker is off or something.
Oh, the breaker part off?
Gotta be. I double check because all the lights is on. You know, when we had all that water down here, that shouldn't have affected nothing. Let me see. Well, we got you see we got power throughout the whole house. So let me see if one of the breakers is off. They need a breaker because all the breakers are on. All the breakers are on. All your goodies are gone. It need a, you know, I think it need a breaker. I don't know what happened with that. All the breakers are on.
Oh yeah, I know we had lights down here last time we were.
I know. I just wondered what happened because all the breakers are on.
It's like I went to all of them and tried to switch the stuff. Because normally when I turn that on, they all pop on.
Let me see. What about now? No? Still nothing?
It's alright.
Yeah, but I'm trying to. It was lights down here before.
Yeah, I know.
And like I said, all the breakers are on right now. So I don't know what happened. I can't figure that one out unless it need another breaker, but it shouldn't because the light was on before. Inquiring minds want to know. That baby almost ready to fire up? That baby almost ready to fire up?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Like I said, I just got back.
Oh,
I
okay.
took it a loose
Oh, did you?
before I left. I had to go run to go get some stuff. I got this mix of couple. It'll be ready.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Just gotta make some adjustments. To it.
I gotta find out what's going on with that breaker or them lights. I know you can see, but
Yeah, I'm good. I see.
I'm just wondering why. I know they was working. Shit, they was on when y'all was working down here last time. All right, today is March the 3rd. Not necessarily meaning I'm going to upload the videos today, because I uploaded. Somebody call me? I uploaded like 4 or 5 videos today already, and YouTube been watching me lately on how many videos I upload. Cause one time I uploaded like 8 videos, and next thing I know they said, you can't upload no more videos today. Either verify yourself or wait 24 hours. Last time I verified myself, it sent some type of signal to them and they killed me. So I just wait for 24 hours and start it again. I ain't stupid. I just look like this. All right, let me put this down for a minute. All right, guys, that's after that. I'll do another video soon. Well, I got a couple more videos to do today, so we'll see. But you probably see them tomorrow. The day is March 3rd, so you won't see them today. So, and the thing, let me see, on the title I might put March 4th, but you guys know it was March 3rd when it was done. It's just saying March 4th when I upload it. All right? SHEA from the SHEA Show, and we'll see you at the next location.